ever feel overwhelmed with life, stressed out, anxious, and just wondering, what can I do to help get through these difficult, challenging moments? Well, today we're talking about breath as our anchor. It's one simple tool that you always carry with you. It's always accessible, and it's actually our bridge between chaos and calm. So today I'm going to share some very simple, easy to implement breathing practices to help bring your body back into peace when you're feeling that stress and overwhelmed. Welcome to Rising One Coaching. I'm Allison, your lifestyle and wellness coach, and today we're talking about breath as our anchor. So our nervous systems, especially in this modern day and age, they feel like they're always caught in overdrive, stress, anxiety. You know that feeling, the racing heart, shallow breathing, tense muscles, clenched jaw. When our bodies feel unsafe, it's almost impossible to invite in peace. Well, the good news is breath is your doorway. Every inhale and every exhale sends a message to your body. And when we breathe with intention, the body remembers, I am safe, I am present, I am whole. So our first practice is kind of like a box breath, if you guys are familiar with that. It's a specific count that helps to regulate your nervous system, your service system. So what we're gonna do is inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6, pause for 2. So let's do that together. We're gonna inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6, pause for 2. Now you can repeat this at least 2 to 3 times to start feeling the maximum benefits. But if you really want to bring it and really and draw in that piece, try it for 5 to 6 counts. Now, why this works? Longer exhales activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and digest response. This signals to your body that it's safe. It helps to lower your heart rate, and it helps to shift your body out of that stress mode. So our second practice is one of my favorite things. If you guys have been following the channel, you know that hand on heart is one of my favorites. So this involves hand on heart, hand on belly. So you're gonna put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. You're gonna breathe in nice and deep and just feel your belly rising under your hand. Exhale, letting it fall gently. Now keep your focus on the movement of your body underneath your hands. Why this works? This grounds your awareness into your body and encourages diaphragmatic breathing, the kind of breathing that calms those stress hormones in our bodies. The added touch aspect, your hand on heart, hand on belly, reassures your nervous system that you are cared and safe. I feel like nature is incorporating its breath into these practices. And actually, flowing white curtains is one of my favorite things. It signals to me calm, relaxation, and just sort of that gentle breeze that flows through. So I'm glad that my beautiful white curtains have been joining in the practice today. Practice number 3. This is a great one, you guys. I love doing this. This is called Sighing the Stress Away. So you're going to take a nice deep breath in, and then you're going to let out an audible sigh. And that can sound however you'd like it to. It could be a light, low sound. It could be a loud sound, whatever feels good to you, whatever your body's needing right now. I tend to do an ah sound when I do this. So we're going to take a deep breath in and let out an audible sigh. Ah. You're going to do this a few times, inhaling deeply and exhaling with a loud freeing sound or a light freeing sound, whatever's best for you. You're just really going to release that tension through your breath. Now, why this works, sighing is a natural reset for your nervous system. How cool is that? Research shows that a double inhale, so followed by a sigh, is one of the fastest ways to downshift from stress. It literally tells your body, let go. So how wonderful. I love all these practices because we have our breath with us at all times. It's something we can always incorporate and try in our day, and it can just bring an easy, low stress release. So here's your takeaway. Your breath is your anchor. You don't need anything fancy. Just a few conscious breaths can help to reset your whole body. So try one of these practices today, even if it's just for a minute, and notice how quickly you're able to return back into peace. And the more you practice this, the more your body's going to respond. And it's almost like muscle memory. The more you do this, your body's going to be like, oh, we're okay, we're safe. Now we can relax. And then it allows you to enter into whatever situations you're dealing with more calm, ease, and clarity. So that's a great thing. Your breath is always with you. Let it be your sacred anchor and a gentle reminder that peace is never far away. It lives in the rise and fall of your inhale and your exhale. Thank you so much for showing up for me today. I love that Spirit, God is with us. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Blessings.